gumaya lang kayo sa iba, malulubog kayo. So the best way to become national is to become local. And the more local, the more unique.
We are doing the Lumlum Feast or the Indigenous Games, and we have around 15 games po. Mahalaga po, syempre, ang pagpapalaro sa IP Games para mapagpalawig at mapagpalinang pa po natin ang kulturang karunungan po. Well, the Lumlum Feast is a part of the Gong Festival 2024 and also, of course, partnered with the City Tourism Baguio po.